Hi, we're the girls from Kukla's Cuisina. I'm Jackie.
I'm Joanne.
And I'm Kelly.
And we're doing more Pita-bilities this week. And today we're going to show you a Greek-Island style za'atar.
Right, so we did a play on za'atar with this one. So
we used that as our inspiration.
Right.
And made our karpathos version.
Right.
So, and it's really, really easy.
Okay, so we're going to start with our spices.
So here we have some sea salt, some lemon zest, dried oregano, marjoram, dried thyme, and roasted sesame seeds.
Or toasted.
Toasted.
So now we're just going to put everything in a bowl, and we're going to mix it all together.
And these are all classic herbs that you can find in any part of Greece, especially karpathos.
Oops.
It helps to get them all in the bowl.
Yeah, it helps. That's okay.
You got most of it in the bowl.
And then you mix these all together. And then what you want to do is you want to add enough olive oil to make it a paste, because that's kind of what we want this to be, is really pasty-like.
You want it to be a spreadable paste.
Right. So, and the recipe's on our blog, so you can get all our measurements there. And you just keep adding a little bit at a time, just to make sure that you get all of the herbs and the sesame seeds and the seasonings wet.
I think ultimately the goal is to have it just a little bit oily.
Yeah.
You know, you just want a little bit
And
oil.
you want that little bit of oil because
Yeah.
you want it to seep into your bread.
Sure.
And we're using a flatbread from Kontos. Kontos is one of our favorites.
Yeah, this one is the lifestyle bread that we really love because it's lower in carbs. So a healthier option. And this is going to go in the oven. So that's why that olive oil keeps that bread moist when it goes in the oven.
And now this is what it looks like. Let's just give you a quick view. That's what it's going to look like. Kind of a little bit pasty. And then you're going to put it on your bread. And we're going to just spread it all around, just like you would like a tomato sauce.
This is almost like a pesto too, right?
A little bit like a pesto.
It's not going to taste like it,
No.
but it's going to look like it.
But the herbs are really going to flavor your pita. It's going to be delicious when it comes out of the oven.
And you could use this like a snack item. You could put it with your hors d'oeuvres.
You cut it into little wedges.
Yeah. So now we're going to put this in the oven, and we'll be back to show you the finished product.
Yes, we will.
And we're back, and this is our play on a pita za'atar. Does that look yummy?
It smells fantastic.
It does.
So now what we want to do is cut it into wedges. And you can cut it depending on what you're serving it as, an appetizer or a snack, as
you
little
can cut it
or
small.
as large as you want. And as a final topping, I'm going to put a little bit of fresh basil on top to give it some nice color and flavor.
And there we have it. Our play on pita za'atar.
Pita-bilities.